please allow me to, in fact, I cannot stand on existing protocols because I don't want to ask for a visa before I get back to Abeokuta today. The chairman of this occasion, I have to, I'm sure you people understand me very well. Vice President represented here, the celebrant, General Obasanjo, Vice President ATIKU, and my uncle is here, you're welcome. Well, let me stand on existing protocols after that. Of course, my Ogas are here, Oga Masari and Mrs. Olukwete. I can forget about Tamboy, my junior in this business. And of course, my dear brother, you're welcome. Senator Mark, I must adopt whatever Senator David Mark has said, because as you know, he was the chairman when I was Speaker in the House, so I therefore not join in any issues with him. Now, I must also clear an issue here by adopting whatever Balogun also said. See, Osita, you are looking for trouble on this age matter. You see, officially, 92, officially. But those of us who know anything about Abeokuta, there may be an unofficial age sitting here. I said maybe. Let me just try to remember, I don't want to ask for a visa before I get back to Abeokuta, so please don't get me into trouble here. Osita, I will tell you a small story, and you can take it wherever you want to take it to. You see, in those days, some people do not require birth certificate. They will just say he was born when that church was built. He was born when that bridge was built. I'm not saying anything, no. But I'll tell you about a school in Abeokuta called Baptist Boys High School. It's a great school. My son graduated from that school a couple of years ago. I graduated from that school somewhere in the 1960-61. My grandfather graduated from that school about 15 years before General Obasanjo. If he was alive today, the man would be around 130 years old. So, I rest my case.
Yes. The former speaker he has started a war. Suffice it to say that I hear him loud and clear.